Rain has come with so much blessing and I'm here for it. So my little garden is slowly flourishing. It's been having a really bad time. I'm trying to weed out anything that's not needed. So it has a couple of new plants. I have tomatoes, because tomatoes just do well wherever there's water, then it's okay. I have kunde, which I've never had, sukuma wiki, which I normally just plant. There's beans. There are 2 new lemon plants, and then that's the big sister. It's been there for a while now. I wish I had planted chilies. That's I'm not sure what that is actually. I thought it's an orange. Then beans again. Beans are really doing good this time. My 2 flowers, the flower and the aloe. This is managu. First tomato, so I'm happy for that. I think there are 2, and a lot of the plants are blooming, so I'm expecting a small harvest soon, and I hope the rains won't be too much to ruin it.